Okay, exercise 8.2, question number 6 and page number 173. Between which two numbers in tens place on the number line does each of the given number lies? So first 0.6. So here the tens place number is 6. This one, okay? So this is a number line, and we know 0.6 is less than 1 and greater than 0. So it will lie between 0 and 1, correct? We will divide it into 10 part as it is tens place number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, we divided into 10 parts. Then we will take 6 part out of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 0.6. Correct?
Okay.
So now it is asking between which two numbers in tens place on the number line does each of the given number lies. So this number, so 0.6, it lies between, I will present in a different color. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so its before number is 0.5 and after number 0.7, correct?
Okay.
So 0.60 lies between 0.5 and 0.7, correct? Any doubts?
Sir, wasn't the question like 0?
Oh, the question was wrong. Okay. So we will change this one. So our question is 0.06.
Yeah.
Okay. We will check for this one, 0.0. So if it is 0.60, then it is lies between 0.5 and 0.7, correct?
Yeah.
Now if 0.06, so here is our 0, here is 1, and it divided into 10 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 parts. So 0.06 means it is greater than 0.00 and less than 0.10. Okay?
You know what?
Ask. We have to take this one, this 10th place number.
Okay.
This one 6 is in 100th place. Okay?
Okay.
So the previous number of 0 is nothing, it is 0 only. And after number is 1. Okay?
Okay.
So this number will lie between 0.0 means between this place and this place, 0.1. Okay, somewhere here in between these two. Okay? So
Okay.
I will erase all these things and we will discuss a shortcut for this. So 1 second. Yes. Okay, so we will write 0.06 as 0.00 is less than 0.06 is less than 0.10. Understood? We have to take into account the 10th place number only, not 100th place.
Okay. Decimals get smaller
No. See, again I am explaining you. This is 0.
Okay.
This is 0.1. Okay. Then 0.2 like this. See, this is 0, this is 1. We divided into 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it is 0.1, it is 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9 and 1.0. Okay.
Okay.
Now we will take this portion 0 to 0.1 and again we will divide it into 10 equal parts. Okay.
Okay.
So we will get 0.01, 0.02, 0.03, 0.04, 0.05, 0.06, 0.07, 0.08, 0.09, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, more numbers are there. It became 11 parts. It is 10 part. Okay. So here it is 0.1. 10. Clear?
Okay. Here it is
0.06
0.06.
means this position.
Okay.
So it is between 0.00 and 0.10.
So, yeah.
Understood?
Okay.
If we will calculate about 100th place, then this 0.06 will be in between 0.05 and 0.07. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
If we take 100th place, but we are taking 10th place, so we will write 0.0 less than 0.06 means this number lies between 0.0 and 0.1. Understood?
Okay.
So how to calculate? We will take this 10th place number, find its previous number and find its next number. Okay.
Okay.
So as it is 0, its previous number is 0 only and next number 1. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So 0.6 0.06 as 0.06 less than 0.00 less than 0.06, 0.1. So 0.06 lies between 0 and 0.1. Understood?
Okay.
Now 0.45. Okay. So as 0.40 is less than 0.45 is less than 0.5. Sorry, I said the concept wrongly. The concept is the 10th place number, same number we will write here 0.0 and after number here 0.1. Okay.
Okay.
So for this one 0.45, same number 0.4. Okay. Then next number 0.5.
Okay.
Understood?
Yes.
So we will write 0.45 lies between 0.4 and 0.5 on number line. Okay.
Okay.
The next one 0.19. Tell me. 0.1 first number will be Same. Okay.
Yeah.
So 0.1 and second number is next number, that is 0.2.
Teacher,
Hmm.
0.1 and 0.2.
This 100th number we will not count. We will take 10th number and its next number. Okay. Okay. Next example we will see. 0.66 lies between, tell me, 0.6 and 0.7. Okay. Tell me. Any doubts?
No.
Next, 0.92 lies between 0.9 and what will be the next number of 0.9? It is 1.0.
0.
Okay.
Okay.
Then F, 0.57 lies between 0.5 and 0.6.
0.6.
Okay. Now we will take some another numbers from our own.
Okay.
Let the number be 7.05. So it lies between 7.0 and 7.1. Okay, only this 10th place number we will take. Okay.
Okay.
Next, another example we will take. Suppose 2.39. So it lies between 2.3 and 2.4.
Okay.
Suppose another number we will take 2.99. So it lies between 2.9 and 3.0 because next number of 2.9 is 3.0. Okay. Understood clearly?
Yes.
Okay.